Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can empty your Google Drive on PC. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I am on my PC and I'm in Google Drive and I have all these files that I have on my drive. Now, I'll be deleting some of them just to show you how it is done. You can select by clicking on any of them, you can select it individually. If you hold Control, you can click on several ones to select them like this, or you can select a range by holding Shift and clicking on a different one. Then once you do that, you can just click and move them to trash right over here, and then you'll need to go through the trash and clear it again. So for example, let me just check these two off, click delete, and it's moved to trash. Then go over to my trash, select all the items in my trash and permanently delete them like so. And as you can see, now they are deleted forever, and that is how you clear your drive. You can also go to your drive, go into any folders that you want, right click and delete the files that you want, go to trash, and simply delete them forever like so. And that's literally all there is to it. It is pretty much as simple as that. And yeah, that is literally all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you found this useful, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.